everyone, my name is Cariaga Bayang. Today I will talk about deforestation or the large-scale cutting down of trees in our forests. This is one of the biggest environmental we are facing right now. First, animals lose their homes, which leads extinction of some species. Second, the air quality becomes worse because trees help clean carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Third, floods and landslides become more common since there are no roots to absorb water and hold the soil together. Deforestation also adds to climate change since more greenhouses are trapped in the air. For example, during strong typhoons, we often see severe floods and landslides in areas where most trees have already been cut down. It also makes the weather hotter and causes longer droughts. But it's not too late. There are still things we can do to stop the harmful effects of deforestation. First, we can plant more trees, or what we call reforestation. Second, we can be responsible in using paper and would only use them truly necessary. Third, the government and citizens must work together to stop illegal logging and protect our forests. And most importantly, we must spread awareness so more people will join in taking care of nature. The future of our environment depends on us. If we take action and work hand in hand, we can still protect our forests for the next generation. Always remember, no trees, no life.